Hi everyone, my name is CoinX and you're welcome to CoinxdaProducer. So if you're the type that enjoy getting to know about plugins, both free or paid, then you are the right place. Today, we'll be checking out a newly released plugin by iZotope, a delay plugin actually, and it is called Cascadia. Though a whole lot of people have been saying both positive and negative comments about this plugin, so today I've decided to try it out myself with you guys. I mean, this is my first time of trying out this plugin, so we are going to be checking it out and I'll be expecting you guys to drop your honest thoughts, what you think about this plugin in the comments. So what we are going to be doing is to first of all go through the features, the UI, check out everything that it came with, and finally have a very brief demo to hear it in action, applying all these features. Then after, we now come in and have a chat about this plugin. So as you can see on the screen is the plugin Cascadia by iZotope. It's a little bit different, when it comes to color. I'm not sure this is the traditional color they usually use. There is a color we know iZotope for, but for the UI, it's not bad. To the left flank here, you can see this button right here is to engage. Either you want to impute by milliseconds, the delay time, or you want to use by BPM, that's the tempo, and followed by the ping pong disable and enabling button, which is this one right here. And that reminds me, one thing is when you hover your mouse over any element, it's going to tell you exactly what that is for. Now below here is the delay knob, which is to set the amount of delay you are adding to the processed vocal or any element. And right below it is the feedback. We all know what the feedback is. Set the length of the delay time, how long it's gonna last and all that. Then followed by the width to add width to the delay effect. The next is the modulation depth, which actually is used to add amount of modulation to the delay effect coming in. Alright, then the modulation rate is I'm not sure. Adjust the speed. This is used to set the speed of the modulation level. Right above here is another interesting feature that I just saw now, which is the reverse. It gives you the ability to reverse the applied delay effect, and here you can see you can solo the delay, bypass the plugin, and it came with some factory presets you can actually try this plugin with. And by the way, I'm on trial version. I've not been able to buy this. I want to try it out first. Then if it's worth it, then you can talk about securing a copy for yourself. So on the wrench knob here, there is not much happening. You can see it's telling you to activate it. The show tooltips, like I previously said, when you hover your mouse on something, it's gonna tell you what it is. So if you don't want to see that, you just disable it from here. Alright, and right to the extreme right here, you'll see the Unmasked section. This is where the magic happens, the sidechain happens. And the good thing about this feature on this delay plugin is, you don't need to set it up separately. You don't need to use 1001 plugin just to dock the delay effect against, or dock the vocal against the delay effect, or vice versa. So you have everything here on one plugin. But I can't say for sure if it is CPU intensive because I'm actually on my backup system, which is not that strong. But for what I'm saying, it's not really that much. But let me know, guys, if you're using a very strong system, and you can clearly say if it is taking much out of your CPU or your RAM. Now back to the unmasked section, you can see this is just to set how much of the unmasking, which is the docking. Simply means when the vocal is active, when the vocal is singing, the delay effect goes down to certain dB. You understand? So this is the feature you use in setting that. Then below is the attack, the release, the sensitivity. Attack simply is how fast it's going to attack. The docking, how fast the docking will react against the vocal. The release, I believe how slow or how fast it's gonna let go back the delay effect once the vocal stops. Alright, then the sensitivity is how active it's gonna be in general. Then below here you can see to enable and disable the unmasking section. or mask section, then the delta knob to hear the unmasked or the unmasked against the processed sound. And right below here you can also see the filter section, which is the low cut and the high cut to filter out all those unwanted frequencies from the delay. And finally, with this huge display window, which is quite interesting. So that is basically all the features in this plugin by iZotope. So guys, let's dive into the demonstration to hear this plugin in action.
Life get us a bit. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. You dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us a bit, but we go there alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me. We go walk out this road together, you see. Life get us be, but we go there, alright. Don't worry, my friend, you dey safe with me.
Alright, I believe you had the sound demo. For me, it's not really bad, it's actually a good plugin, but the only problem I think people are having with this is the price to which iZotope set it, especially now that it's still like new, because I believe there are many other plugins out there that can do exactly what this plugin can do with more extra features that are way below the price iZotope gave out for this plugin. But that's my own take. So feel free to let me know in the comments what you think about this. Maybe if iZotope come across this video, they might somehow reconsider the price to which they gave out this plugin for. With that being said, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you have any other plugin you would want me to review or any topic on music production, just let me know as well in the comments. So if you want to check out some interesting freebies that I've done on this channel, this playlist here contains all of them. Feel free to check them out and see the plugin that you might be interested to have for yourself. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.